Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be closing out our lessons on Grand Pliè by going over a few final details, so if you haven't seen the other Grand Pliè lessons, then be sure to check them out. So now, let's look at our Grand Pliè in each of our 5-foot positions. If you remember the first Grand Pliè video, the Grand Pliè we learned there was the first position variation. For second position, take your tendu in the second, and take your demi-plié. As you press into the floor, keep your heels down the entire time. They never come up. Moving on, third and fourth position function the same way as first position. But in fourth position, it's really easy to shift your weight out of one foot and into the other. It's hard to hold, but make sure you keep yourself perfectly centered. And finally, for fifth position, as you lift your heels from demi-plié, make sure you keep your feet brushing together. They should be connected the entire time until you go back into your demi-plié. This is getting ready for your susu, but we won't worry about that right now. And that's a wrap on our Grand Pliè. That was a lot, but still pretty easy, right? Now, take a second, review your notes, and we'll keep pushing forward next time. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.